a really good day. Over here is my 2006 Lotus Elise turboed. It is not an EXIGE, but it is an Elise, and they're pretty similar on body size. Why do I say that? Because body size is me versus that car. So as you guys can see by the thumbnail, I'm a pretty big dude. I'm 6'4". Believe it or not, my mom is only like 5'1", so I don't know how I came out of that. But I'm like 6'4". That being said, people are saying, how do you fit there in this car? You don't even fit in this car. No way you fit in this car. I do fit in this car. That's how I got it here. But it is a tight fit, and it's not hard to get in and out of. But it's more difficult than your normal. It's not like getting in a Range Rover or something like that, or getting in a Cadillac or thing like that. It's a very small car. Smallest one I own now. That means it might be one of the smallest ones on the road too. So how does a 6'4" guy fit into this? So I'll just show you guys. I think this is gonna be a funny video. I hope you enjoyed the cinematic edit of this. Freaking car is amazing, absolutely amazing. Needs some love, which I'm gonna be doing soon, but I got this comment like 10 times, how do you fit in here? So this is how I fit in it. So let's go ahead and you guys can just watch me get into it, and then I'll show you guys from a couple different angles. So I'm just gonna go ahead and walk over there and get in the car. So this is just me walking over here. Normally, to get in the car, you push on this the keyhole, you push it and then pull out. And there's a little lever right here, or handle. This is how far the car door opens. It's not very far, it's only that, so I'll go ahead and get in it. How I do it is I put my butt in, so I just put my butt in just like this, and I kind of hold my stomach, and then I turn my body, and I'm in. So just like that. That's how it is. Now I'm going to pull the door open, to go over, to get out, I bring my left leg first, then I bring my right leg underneath the steering wheel, and then I put my arms right here on the window frame and on the back of the car, and I just pull myself out, and then put your hand there, and then good to go. All right, here's another angle. Doors open. How does MITCHDORE fit in this thing? 6'4". I probably don't even fit the camera frame. Again, I just squat down, slide my butt in. It's really easy. I think I'm about the top of it though. I mean, if you're like 6'6", I don't think you'll fit. If you're 6'5", your head might hit the top. I'm like the top, but if you're more than 6 foot, I might recommend getting like an EVORA. I kind of want an EVORA, but let's go ahead and slide in. Like that, I'm in. Once I'm in, I'm good pretty much. And then I always just use my hand and grab the door. I try not to use this little plastic hook because I've seen them break. I'm going to flip the car around and I'm going to try to get the passenger side. I've never been in the passenger side on this car, but I have been in on an EXIGE and an Elise before. But I'll show you guys me getting in the passenger side in case I have my girlfriend driving this car. As I was doing this, it's going to be actually pretty difficult for me to get out of the car if my girlfriend is in there with me, because I like to put my arm across the other side. So again, you push in right here, push in, and then you pull out. That's how the door opens. Right there, just like that. It's identical though. So I'll do it the same way. So again, I'll get close here. I'll slide my butt in. And without the steering wheel, there is a little bit more room. Just like that, we're in, ready to go. Check this out, I got power windows. Power windows, baby! That was an option, power windows, no crank. So, yeah, that's how you do it. Now I'm in the Lotus. Pretty easy, not difficult. But this is how a 6'4" person fits in the Lotus. I got a lot of questions for this. I'll get out of it. Cool, there's a little spot for your phone or whatnot, like a cubby hole, and then there's also There's also a little cubby hole up here too for your junk. You can put your phone in there. This car doesn't have a cup holder though. No cup holder or no cruise control. And the mirrors are really goofy. They're like bubble. I'll probably get different mirror lenses. So both legs out on this side, and then kind of like you're giving birth. I like to put my elbows here, and then pull myself out. I don't think it damages the car. I think it's pretty sturdy, but that's how I get in and out. So I'll do it one more time. So I'll put this like this, again, like that, slide, in, left foot, right foot. I recommend not wearing like cowboy boots or something, and then we're in. And it's so low slung, look at that. Woo! I'm ready to go. It's so awesome in here. I'll bring the camera in here real quick, one second. I haven't really done like a tour of this car yet, and I need to do like a walk around, which I'll make a separate video of just a walk around of the whole car. But it's so tight and cozy in here. And I haven't even used these yet. These are racing seats. These are racing buckle seat. Yeah, racing belts. Harnesses. Look at that harness. That's so cool. And the Sector 11 right there. But once you're in this car, it is so tight and just cozy and awesome. It is awesome. I never thought I would make a video of how I get in and out of a Lotus, but that's pretty funny. You guys really recommended it, but that's it. I fit. Cozy fit once you're in there. The seats are okay. You probably won't ever spend more. This would be so hard to daily drive this car. I should make a video like that. Oh, can you daily drive a Lotus? Yeah, maybe, probably not. The MR2 is so comfy compared to this car. The MR2 is like a luxury car compared to that. The plush seats, some of them come with cruise control. The more space is room in them. The MR2, if you're wanting like a Lotus style car, go get an MR2 Spider. They're awesome. They're shooting up in value. They're going up to like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 grand. So get one while you can before they hit like 20 grand. But man, this is an awesome little car. Anyways, I never thought I'd be making a video of this, so this is how I fit in my car. I hope you guys enjoy that. Make sure to hit the like button. Swing by MITCHDORE.com, grab a microfiber. I love my microfibers. I actually used one to clean the car this morning, and just check out all my other things down there. Yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, guys. I'll see you later.